ऐतिहासिक महत्त्व असलेल्या पणजीतील कोमनीदाद कार्यालयाची दयनीय स्थिती झाली आहे। पणजी मेरी एमिक्युलेट चर्च जवळ असलेल्या पोर्तुगीज कालीन इमारतीत कोमनीदाद कार्यालय आहे। बाहेरून सुंदर वाटणाऱ्या या वास्तूच्या आत जाताच मात्र भयावह चित्र पाहायला मिळते। विशेष म्हणजे या कार्यालयात कोमनीदाद जमिनी संबंधी असलेले पुरातन दस्तऐवज धोक्यात आहेत। सरकारने वेळीच हे दस्तऐवज सुरक्षित ठेवण्यासाठी पाऊल न उचलल्यास कोमनीदाद संबंधी माहिती आणि इतिहास पूर्णपणे नष्ट होणार।
The documents, they can be kept in the record, like how archives has done. Earlier the technology was microfilming. Now digital technology come, you can scan every document, but first we need to restore the document because some papers can be very brittle because they are hundreds of years old. So we need experts. So this cannot be handled by laborers. Tomorrow if they get laborers and they start dumping the documents, it can tear and break and the documents can be destroyed because most of the documents are in Portuguese and nobody will understand what is written there, the laborers who are put together to clean up. So we are requesting the government authorities to please preserve these documents because this is our history. If our history is destroyed, then we are destroyed.
See how these documents are maintained here. It's a junk.
These are the documents.
These are, I was told they are some 1,000 years back documents. But I feel at least more than when Portuguese came. That is 600 years back. See, windows, everything is open here. This can be maintained.
Do you believe that the document might be safe inside right now?
See, documents cannot be safe. If I say they are safe, I am lying. How can a document be safe when no one has done anything for those documents? Probably for the last 50-70 years. I could only guarantee for 50 years because I am less than 50. So how can these documents? None of these elderly senior guys of the Kumdad remember that there was any restoration, any maintenance that has been done here. So when nobody has got memories to last 50-70 years, so how can a document be safe? There can be no chance.
The very fact they have survived hundreds of years. The documents are gathering dust now. The cupboards are broken. The water is leaking from the rooftop. So the safety is our serious concern because our entire heritage is recorded in the documents, in the archives. So if these documents are destroyed, our history is destroyed completely. So we need to preserve these documents. That's why we request the government at least do some microfilming or something and restore the document back to its original order.
Government कशी सेफ आहे काय ना तुमचं? तुमचे
डॉक्युमेंट जनरल पळोवंक गेल्यार आमकां सेफ आहा दिसता, पूण हे इतल्या वर्सांचे म्हणटकूच तेंचे पेपर कितें जाला ते आमी जर काडूंक गेले जाल्यार आमकां हें जावंक शकता, पिड्यार जावंक शकता. म्हणून तांकां एक्सपर्टूच कोण आहा पळय ते मेंटेन करता पळय ते हाडूनच करचें पडटा.
Records are actually in condition, but they have not been properly maintained because being a old structure and cupboards are very old, they have not been properly. So we'll have to put it in the proper condition first.
After the cleaning, then you can see which documents are torn, soiled, and totally ruined. And thereafter you can see the why this is happened, because only our big office does not have staff. If you are not if you increase the staff, the possibility of the fund, there is no fund to pay the salary, and because of that is the main reason behind it, that is totally become the dump.
This building can be done as a historical heritage building. The archives, tourists देखून दाखोवपा जाता. Tourists and भायल्यान फोटो मारता, भितर देखून फोटो एला करपाक. But who is doing it? This is the sad state. Why is the government not doing? This is one central zone. there is south zone in Margao and there is north zone in Mapsa. So it's the same state. It is not the first time someone is coming here and speaking. But I don't understand why do they fail in doing all these things today.
If you look at the roof here, see, this is about to fall. It is not only of cleanliness and hygiene, it is safety. If this roof falls, there will be a lot of casualties. People who are working here, people who are visiting here, the office, and also people who are moving around on the footpath. This is a central area.
Just come. Quick one. You will see in the condition that these people all are working. So, yeah, they are going. Quick one, काढून बोलतो. This is our administrator who is working so hard. Take a condition. See this wall. See this door. Quick walk inside. We have female staff working here, and you all will see the condition of the toilet. So, inside, the condition there. This is 450 years old documents kept in this kind of a place. Or museum amgalo. See the cupboards, how they are lying. See these conditions. See these conditions. We'll quickly take you down. See. See this book. See these documents. Are these documents? You go down to the washroom. This is the entrance to the archive. That is the archive room. See this here. See the state. See this washroom. Can anyone believe this is the state of washroom in 2020?
Horrible, man.
So people don't use it. People don't use the washroom. People go home or go to any of the shops here because of this kind of a condition. So हे सगळ्यात तुम्ही चोयला म्हाका दिसता हे आनी व्हडली सांगपाक गरज ना.